Seems like a good game to have a beer with, right? So I've had this idea for the last few months while I've been working with Petcurian, and it's to do a taste test of their Spike treats. And they finally gave me approval to do this. But I have to read a quick disclaimer before we start on this game, per their notes. I know, we're going to eat a lot of dog treats, and you're getting a lot of it too. So these Spike treats are loaded with a lot of nutrients and superfoods. The Spike Jerky line from Petcurian includes 4 jerky-style treats for dogs, each with a novel protein. It's including duck. We had this planned. Duck, catfish, venison, and turkey recipes. They are made with high-quality protein and all-natural ingredients and free from any byproducts. And are free from byproducts, glycerin, added growth hormones, artificial preservatives, flavors, and colors. They're high in micronutrients, antioxidants, superfoods like chia, pomegranate, kale, gluten, and grain-free. Hey, guys, we're doing something here.
Distraction.
I think I'm gonna like this.
I think so.
So we have a few games lined up, and it's most important to know that these treats were developed for the palate of dogs, not humans. But we're going to give this a try, and I think a few sips of beer will help as well wash everything down, plus give you the courage to eat a bunch of dog treats. Okay, I think we just start.
Yeah.
Is there one that you're interested in? By the way, Rebecca's back. Really excited for this. Yeah! Also, every time I do that, I think of Kermit the Frog when he's like flailing, doing the yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm thinking of when I do that.
That's so funny.
It's true.
No, I'm gonna think of that every
I
day.
do it a bunch too, and I'm just like, I don't think it sells the what I'm actually going for. Hi. Say hi. Get up. Get up. Hi. Sedona, are you ready? Which one do you want us to start with? What's your favorite one?
Well, this one's already open.
Great. We're gonna start with the duck.
Oh.
It smells really good.
I know it. If you didn't tell me it was dog treats, wait, this whole thing.
We can just take a bite and we'll give the rest of the dogs.
Okay.
Okay, this is the duck one with the Frenchie on it. The Spike dog treats.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's really good.
It's
Sit.
like
Sit? You sit? That's not sitting, but okay.
it's just like jerky, but a little softer. Like
Yeah.
it kind of breaks apart in your mouth.
It tasted a bit fishy. Like it with the aftertaste.
It literally just tastes like beef jerky.
Yeah, this isn't that bad. It's actually really like soft.
Yeah.
It broke apart. It's pretty moist.
I'm just going for another bite.
It tastes like, I mean, I guess I don't eat duck that often to,
I
but
wouldn't be able to tell it was duck. But yeah, if you gave that to me and said, "Hey, try this new jerky I, bought," I would not have guessed it was anything other than regular jerky.
yeah, that was good. That wasn't bad. I know, we're gonna do more, I promise. You like that one? I like that one too.
It's a nice aftertaste.
Yeah, it was,
Not bad. Well,
I agree. If you handed it to me in a bag of normal beef jerky, I wouldn't have known the
I would
difference.
just be like, why is it so soft? Not.
Exactly.
There's no more.
I'm curious to know how fishy the catfish one is
Oh,
gonna
I'm
taste.
scared of that one. Is that one?
Well, that's the one you're holding, so that's why I said it. But it's catfish barbecue. Got a little golden on it.
I hope
Jerk-
it's not fishy. 'Cause
I know. Then that's gonna be really gross.
Should we do that one last, so in case it does leave a really fishy aftertaste, it doesn't mess up like us tasting these
You're
ones?
most scared about this one, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll wait on this one. We'll hold off.
Okay.
Pick the next one then.
Alright, we'll do turkey. If I can open it. Oh, I don't like how this one looks.
Okay, so I also forgot that Petcurian is based in Vancouver, and so there's French on it, and I thought it was like a flavoring, like duck canard, but like I just realized that with the other ones. And I've been reading this. It's not catfish barbecue. I've been reading it as catfish barbecue this entire time.
That's so funny. I thought it was barbecue too.
It all just is clicking. I know we're excited. How much do you like this one? So what are we eating? This is turkey?
Turkey.
I was like, turkey dinde? What is that? No, sit. I know you really like this one. Sit. Okay, good job. I'll let you guys have this. Ow. No, I need a bigger piece.
Well, I don't okay. I'm a little worried about this one.
This one's a little more
It's like
dry,
Yeah.
it feels like, and not as moist. A little more density to it.
do the smaller piece.
Really tough.
It's not as
Sit.
flavorful as a duck. It was kind of like
Yeah, I'm getting a late, like, it's almost like it's dry deli turkey. Like, I'm getting the turkey taste in there. Ooh, yeah, this is,
it's almost like dehydrated.
like, super dehydrated. I mean, I guess that's what jerky is, but
but like
the duck was really soft and moist, and this one's just not delivering the same way.
not a fan.
I would keep eating the duck one. I would
Right.
not be fooled by this. Something would be up if I knew that.
Okay, venison.
Okay.
Ready?
Do you know what venison is?
Isn't that deer?
Is it?
I'm pretty sure.
We're gonna ask. I don't know what venison is. I wanted to look. Okay, Google. What? This is a new phone. This isn't working. Okay. Okay, Google. Oh no, I already did that. Okay. What is venison?
Venison, meat from a deer.
Okay. Winner.
I work at an animal hospital. I should know that.
That's true.
Ooh. Okay.
Smells good. Let me smell. Okay. Not as appetizing. Duck's
No.
winning so far in terms
Yeah.
of smell and taste. Thanks. Ooh, you like this, huh? They go crazy over this stuff.
Oh man, this one's like really dry too.
Yeah. You guys will love this. All
They're
right.
like not caring. Oh.
This one tastes the most like beef jerky, I think. Okay. Maybe there's like a
Yeah.
teriyaki element to it, so that's why.
Weird. I didn't like it at first.
No, me neither. You'll get some too. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to give him some without you some. I know. Everyone needs to get some. This one's really dry also.
Yeah, this one definitely takes more like the jerky.
Shake. Shake.
Regular jerky. Weird.
Can you shake for me? Can you shake? Can you shake? Zeus is shaking good. Good. Shake. Shake. Good job. Oh, okay.
That wasn't so bad. I think it's better than the turkey.
I agree. I like the flavoring more so, but it's still equally as dry as the
Yeah.
turkey.
So far, the duck is the only one that has a little bit of moisture. Oh god, alright, well. Now it just leaves the catfish barbecue.
Catfish barbecue. Hey, Pecurian, if you guys want to put some barbecue on this, you know, send some percentage my way. No big deal.
That's gonna smell.
No, it's not bad.
Oh no? Okay. Oh no, I don't like the. These are like little crackers.
Flakes.
Oh, this is gonna be so gross. Oh no.
This isn't gonna be bad. Come on. Oh, this is the driest one.
Mmm. Mmm.
I don't taste fish.
Oh no, I got like a piece of like.
Now I do actually. That aftertaste. This is like the jelly bean game all over again.
Oh, I got like a piece that's like chewy. That's not.
Oh, it's very fishy.
Oh.
Drink something.
Oh God. Holy crap. Oh my God, that's so nasty. I got chills. I
Yeah,
don't
I'm
like
not
that.
going for. I guess I already went for seconds, but I'm not gonna go for any more of this. Good. You like this so much, don't you? Good. See, this is what happens when you sit and be good pups.
Ugh.
We're getting all the good treats right now. You like this one. See, I think even the dogs were going crazy most for the duck one as well.
I don't like the way that like broke up in my mouth. It
Yeah.
just was like a sludge. I don't know what that was not. That's gross.
List your favorites. Rank them.
Okay, duck, venison,
Okay.
turkey, catfish barbecue.
Catfish
last.
barbecue.
Catfish is not even on there.
Yeah, I would say the same. I would actually.
Do turkey be the winner over duck?
No.
I mean,
Okay, I'm gonna switch just to be different, but also, yeah, and this dog's cuter. I'm gonna go duck, turkey, venison, catfish.
maybe I'm just biased too because the duck is a Frenchie and I just am obsessed.
No, it was by far the better.
Yeah, it smells really good.
I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to figure it out blindfolded, though. Which
like,
one's which?
What flavor?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know about me.
We're gonna give this a try. We're gonna go blindfolded taste test to see if we can tell which one's which. I think it'll get a little difficult between the turkey and the venison, but only one way to find out. Hey! Okay, I legit can't see anything.
Okay.
Oh, now I can see. Okay, nope. Don't want to do
Cheater.
it. Well, I'm fixing that.
Did you just
okay.
see what I'm?
Nope,
Okay.
didn't see anything. Okay.
All right.
Well, I wanted to lift it up because it was covering my mouth, so I wanted to.
Ready?
No.
Go. But what's on your mind?
Okay, it's one of the drier ones.
Okay.
We're in between. I wanted to initially say that it was turkey, but now the more that I chew it, I want to say it's venison. And I will go. Final answer, it's venison. Yeah?
Got it.
Yes!
Dang. I'm gonna be so bad at this. I'm only gonna know what it is if you give me the duck or the catfish. Alright, you wanna go again? Or is it my turn?
Sure, I'll give it one more try. I think so too. I think these are more palpable than, or able to, palatable? Not palpable. Palatable to figure out.
Okay, here.
There's distinct flavors on this. I'm really happy that I give these treats to my dogs. They're delicious.
Yeah, these are really good. I like how like the ingredients on here is just like regular, like I can pronounce them and I know what they are, and not just like crazy scientific things. Okay, ready?
Maybe.
Are you guys ready?
Please be duck. Please be duck.
Okay. Ready?
It's not the duck. Tricky one over here. I know what you pulled. Is it venison again?
Yeah.
Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! I like that move though. That's a good call.
Boo! You're supposed to get it wrong. Okay. Okay. Here, let me do that too.
I'm eating way more dog treats than I signed up for. Did you guys get some? Yeah? You like it? Oh, yeah. Good job. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you can't see?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh.
What?
I have. Are you? Is it happening?
Yeah, I need to get it
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
You jumped up on me. You're drooling, dude.
Yeah, my pants are like soaked. You gave me regular jerky. Yeah. I was like, this is delicious.
New trial.
I
Sorry.
like that. You can do that again. I knew instantly because it was like, it didn't like soak up the moisture in my mouth.
Like the dry ones? Yeah. Get down, dude.
What's that teriyaki? What's that the teriyaki?
That was, yeah, the teriyaki
That
one.
was good.
No, human food. It tastes better than dog food. Good.
Oh no. Is it my...
I feel really mean doing this,
No!
actually.
What are you doing? You can't say that and like, I'm not gonna willingly open my mouth.
Okay. I was just, okay.
Okay, just do it. I'm getting a huge piece.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna...
Well, it's not the catfish one. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I broke it actually small. I was gonna give you even a bigger piece.
I have to like let it sit in my mouth.
You guys are drooling all over me. Sit. Sit down. I know you like these treats. Sit.
Okay. It's not. It's not catfish. It's not duck. Oh my god! There's so much in my mouth.
That's what she said.
I don't feel like you give me venison, because then we've just been eating venison this entire time. Is it venison?
Nope.
Damn it! Is it turkey?
Yeah.
I'm still eating it. Yeah, that. How much was it? How big was that piece? Damn it!
At least I gave you actual
I know.
beef jerky on the
I thought
first
you were gonna
one.
give me a big piece of the catfish. That's what I was afraid of. Oh my god!
You're still,
Like, yeah.
I can hear it still like processing in your mouth right now.
Like instantly, all the moisture in my mouth was just like sucked into that. It was. It wasn't that bad though. It was just too much.
It was a lot.
It's all stuck in my teeth now.
If you guys want to play this too, go with this. Prank your friends using the duck for sure.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. I wouldn't have known the difference.
We'll go with some more treats. Yeah.
I don't think I'm hungry anymore. For dinner.
Perfect. Glad we did this before.
Kind of full.
Just fill up on dog treats. Delicious. Thanks for hanging out. We're going to be trying more foods and maybe even dog treats down the line. I was thinking maybe I'd do a like their dog food milkshake. That'd be gross.
Wait, like their kibble?
Yeah. They put it in the blender.
Dude, that's nasty.
I didn't say that. I gotta go.